Today I'm going to show you guys my lymph check results from when I had was on the rice journey. When I was on the rice water journey, and I'm gonna insert a clip up here to show you guys my previous lymph. Um, and I think it said it was 7. I think I said it was 7 inches. So we're gonna see, guys, if the rice water really works and my hair really grew a little bit. So in from a month and a half. When did I? Yeah, it's been like a month and a half since my last um since I started from when I started my rice water journey. And right here I have a tape measure, so I'm going to let's see, guys, if it grew. Yep, guys, it did grow. It's at 9. It's at 9 inches, guys. 9 inches. It grew 2 inches from the rice water. So it does work, guys. The rice water does work. So I am actually amazed at the results of 2 inches in 1 month. Like, that's amazing. So my hair is in the back is 9 inches. So when I actually straighten my hair, I'm gonna show you guys that, and hopefully my hair got longer because I'm so tired of it being short. But I want to be down my back. I want it to be waist length. I want it to be long, long, long. I know. I gotta be patient. Everyone have to be patient. You're gonna get there, and hopefully I will soon. So I'm gonna try and add it to my regimen every month. Like once a month, I probably add the rice water, and then put my deep conditioner on my hair, and then put my hooded dryer on, and see like if my hair continues to grow. And if you haven't seen my videos of how I make my rice water, I will leave it in the description box, and also I will leave my my week journeys of how I use the rice water on my hair. I'll also leave those videos in the description box. So this is what I have my hair now. Is my braid out from when I was wearing my wig. So I just took my braids out. And yeah, you guys know that I've been wearing protective styling as of this month, and I'm gonna continue to wear protective styling to the end of the summer. And hopefully my hair will grow even more. Boom, boom, boom. But I still deep condition my hair every week. I still wash and condition my hair and all that good stuff. I still do all that. So you guys just gotta stay tuned and to see if my hair will flourish and grow even more than it is now. So I'm gonna wash my hair now and braid it back up and put my wig back on. But you know what? I'm not gonna wear a wig that much this coming up because it's Ramadan coming up. Ramadan. So Ramadan Mubarak to all my fellow. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. And yeah. So thank you all. Bye.